don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and find a...
You will see a clean and intuitive homepage. It's designed to be user-friendly and visually appealing, so you can easily find the latest posts and popular categories. The popular categories is there: marketing, you have a deep learning, you can click on it and you can use the deep learning. Here and some relationship, you will see the relationship here. And also you can see all the blog posts. You can see the feature section and the research section. You will see the blog post, the date of the blog post you posted and the timings, and you will see by who. You see here is by KJ, here is by blog, here is by day. When you click on it, it will take you to the blogs page, and you can also filter by doing the research. You see, you need just to type the keyword and you bring it to the blog. And you can see also the dashboard if you are looking. If you are looking, you can see the dashboard. You can make change to the dashboard. You can see here all the category. You can add the category, or you can edit the category. The same for the post section. You can add the post, or you can edit the post. If you are not logged in, let me try to log out. You see, if you are not logged in, you don't have access to see the dashboard. You see, you just read the blog and you go out. And if you want to log in, you need to register before. After register, you need to log in. And when you log in, you have access to see the dashboard. You have access to see the dashboard if you are logged in. You see now I'm logged in and it's still I have access to see the dashboard, and you can log out also. Let me tell you that this blog also is responsive, it's fully responsive. Whatever you're in the phone, tablet or desktop, you have the seamless experience. My name is DiguinafilsBlog because I'm passionate about technology and journalism. I want to create a platform where these two could come together. I'm thrilled with how turned out by this is just the beginning. I have planned for even more features like monetizing options, user profile, and that mode. Check out DiguinafilsBlog in the link that I mentioned before. I would like to hear feedback and idea for improving. Thanks for watching and happy blog.